Right now, I'm going to walk you through the VP of Marketing Playbook. I'm going to cover three things in this video. Number one, how to get access. Number two, what's inside the playbook. And number three, why I designed it this way. And so starting out, if you're on this page here watching this video, you just click add to cart, and that will add it to your cart just like any e-commerce site. You can click checkout here and it will take you to the checkout page. You fill in your details, and when you actually check out, you will get sent immediately a PDF with links to all the core operating templates that we use to run our marketing team. And right now, I run marketing for a software company that does over 100 million in revenue. Before that, I was the VP of Sales and Marketing at a venture-backed B2B SaaS company that went from 2 to 18 million in just a little over 3 years. And then we were acquired by the company that I work for now. And so this playbook here and the templates that are included are actual templates that we do use. I use them, the team uses them. And so I'll walk you through. This is number two, what's inside. So this is what's inside. The first go-to-market checklist. This gives you sort of all of the things, the steps that we take to bring products to market, the mission, vision, and values template. This is so critical when you're trying to define a North Star for your business and get everyone aligned, driving towards the sort of same direction. Number three is the ideal customer profile. This is about honing in on who you're really targeting through your different marketing efforts and campaigns. Number four is your B2B buyer persona template. So in B2B sales and marketing, you are targeting companies that are your ideal customer profile, but within those companies, it's people. You have buyer personas. And so you've got to figure out strategies and tactics to actually go out and acquire the personas and bring them into your funnel or your flywheel so that you can convert them into loyal customers and continue to serve them and upsell them over time. Then you've got your B2B buyer journey map. Now I'm thinking through this. There are so many in here. There are 22. We use all of these. And maybe it's not the best use of time for me to go through all of them, but I can show you exactly how you can take advantage of them. So there are two columns on the right-hand side here. Links to the resources. The first one is how you can copy the template and personalize it for your own business. And on the right-hand side, you can actually visit the page of the individual template itself. And so let's go to the B2B buyer journey mapping template here. So this is the actual page. So you can see the page here. You could watch the video if you wanted. There are details and explanation below of what's inside. But also, let me get back to the PDF here. The copy template section here actually brings you to the page where you can make a copy for yourself. And so this applies to every template within the playbook. All you need to do is make a copy. This copies the Google Sheet that we use here. Within the template, there are multiple tabs. First is the instructions tab. In this case, the second is the actual B2B buyer journey template. And then I like to provide you with examples. So detailed examples that if you didn't know what to put in the cells, you can use this example as inspiration. And then in most of these, you'll have the bonus go-to-market checklist so that you can do the right things in the right order when bringing products to market. So that's what's inside this playbook. You can go template by template, use them when you want. You have full access anytime. And that's exactly how we use all these templates. We make a copy of them. We personalize them for our own use case. And these are the most essential operating templates that we use in our day-to-day today. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below or reach out through our contact us form. Again, you're covered by our 0 risk guarantee. If you don't get instant value, just reach out. You get 100% of your money back. I'm always here to help. So thanks so much for coming by and making it this far. I'll see you again soon.